Good morning, dear students. In the last lesson, we have learnt about the chemical reactions and equations. Hope you all understand about that lesson. And I will give you some of the questions about that chemical reactions and equations. Try to answer those. If you didn't get the answer, you just ask me. I will clarify those questions and answers. In this class, let us discuss about the biology lesson in the life processes. In your lower classes, you have learnt about the life processes, in which means respiration, digestion, circulation, transportation. About all these things, you have learned something. But in this lesson, let us learn what are all the importance of those life processes. What is meant by life processes? What you have learned in the last years, means in lower classes. What is the difference between those lessons and these lessons? Well, let us learn one by one about the life processes. First, let us learn about what is the meaning, what is the definition of life processes. Life processes, the processes in which together performs the maintenance job of our body called life process. Then what is this maintenance job? Why do we need to maintain our body? For example, which are all those life processes? In that first one, nutrition. In that nutrition, digestion will come, and respiration. In the last year and in 8th standard, we have learned something about nutrition and respiration too. Next, transportation and excretion. These are the main processes which will maintain our body to perform various activities. If these processes will not take place in our body, what happens? For example, me. If these processes will not take place, I will be not alive. I will be called as the non-living thing like the stick. So, these processes will make us to live and perform various activities. Let us learn one by one. In that first one, nutrition. And what is this nutrition? So far, in lower classes, we have learned about nutrition and which are all the nutrients we need to take to maintain the healthy body. And what is this nutrition? It is the process of obtaining and utilizing the food for meeting various requirements of living beings. Then, what are those various requirements? For example, we will speak, we will walk, and we will do many activities. To do all those activities, we want nutrition. By taking nutritious food, we will get the energy. Then, what are the importance of nutrition? Before that, once again, I will repeat it. Carefully listen and understand. It is nutrition is the process of obtaining and utilizing of food for meeting various requirements of living beings. Is called nutrition. What are the importance of nutrition? Why do we need to intake? Why do we take? Why do we need to take the nutritious food? Nutritious food means the food which is having proteins, vitamins, fats, lipids, all those nutrients. Those are all the nutrients which are very essential for our daily life to lead the very healthy life. First, importance of nutrition. One thing you are all new. Why do we take the food? To get the energy. For the fulfillment of energy, we need to take nutritious food. Next, building up of body structure. If I am like this means it is because of healthy food. And next, growth and repair. Day by day, year by year, our body structure and body size, height, everything is going to change, and everything will goes to grow. Because of that healthy growth, we need to take nutritious food and repair. Every year or seasonally, our body is going to suffer from some of the diseases, whether it may be communicable or non-communicable. About communicable and non-communicable diseases and all, you have learned in the 9th standard. So when our body is suffering from or suffer from any diseases, our body need to fight against those germs and bacteria, viruses. So and another one, if I get injured, the cells will get damaged. So to regrow, repair of those cells or damaged parts, we need to take nutritious food. So for the growth and repair, the nutritious food is very essential. And next, hormone regulation, especially in the teenagers. Teenagers means the people who are in between the 13 and 19 age. There are many hormonal changes will take place. For the regulation, for the control of those hormones, nutritious food is very essential. Okay, you can ask, if you didn't take the nutritious food, what may happen? The unnecessary, our body requires sufficient amount of hormone secretions. If our body secretes more amount of hormones, definitely the side effects will cause to us. Our body may becomes very fatty, and in our body more amount of hairs may grow, and like this many defects, diseases may cause. Side effects will be definitely side effects will cause us if we didn't take the nutritious food. So nutritious food is very essential for the regulation of hormones. And next, body resistance. Nowadays in the news channels and all, you can observe, need to increase our immunity power. How will you increase the immunity power? By having nutritious food. We need to take protein contents, fiber contents, fats, lipids. All the nutrients are very essential. So to increase the resistance power, body resistance power, disease resistance power, we need to take the nutritious food. And next, for the reproduction. These are all the importance of nutrition. Hope you all understand what are all the importance of nutrition. Once again, for the energy requirements, building up of body structure, growth and repair, hormone regulation, body structure and reproduction. This is about brief information about the nutrition. Once again, I will repeat. Life processes in which the processes in which together performs the maintenance job in our body called life processes. And for example, nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion. Next, nutrition. It is the process of obtaining and utilizing the food for meeting various requirements of living beings. This is what we call nutrition. And importance of nutrition. For the energy requirements, building up of body structure, growth and repair, hormone regulation, body's resistance and reproduction. This is about the nutrition. Next, nutrition. What is meant by nutrition and what are the importance of nutrition? Now let us discuss about the types of nutrition. About this also you have learned in your lower classes. Let us recall once again. That first one, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Auto means self. Trophic nutrition. Self. Trophic means preparing animals or preparing organisms. Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. These are the main two types of nutrition. In that first one, autotrophic nutrition. Then what is meant by autotrophic nutrition? It is a mode. Mode is nothing but type. It is a type of nutrition in which organisms are able to build up is nothing but prepare their own organic food from inorganic raw materials with the help of energy. This is what we call autotrophic nutrition. Once again, it is a mode of nutrition, means it is a type of nutrition in which organisms are able to build up, means prepare their own organic food from inorganic raw materials with the help of energy. This is what we call autotrophic nutrition. The organisms which will prepare or which will intake the food by this type or this mode of nutrition are called